Hello guys, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows 11 can't run on this PC error. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. If you are encountering the Windows 11 can't run on this PC error, it is usually means your system doesn't meet certain requirements like secure boot or TPM 2.0. Here are how to fix the step-by-step guide. First, you need to check the compatibility. You need to download and run the PC health check tool to identify compatibility issues. To download this one, you need to open your browser. You can use any browser for this one. Just search for PC health check tool. Hit enter. Go to the first option. Scroll down a little bit. Okay, you can see this kind of link is appeared here. Just tap on it. It will be download the application for you. Then after you can check the compatibility issues with your computer. Then after just close this one. Yeah, it's closed. Now you need to restart your PC and enter the BIOS setting. I can't do that in here, so I am going to show the methods. When your computer is restarting, you can press F2, F10 or delete key. That's depend on your computer. You can just search for Google and find the key which is you need to press to enter the BIOS setting. Then after you need to navigate the boot or security tab and enable secure boot. Save changes and exit. To enable TPM 2.0, if you have, you need to enter the BIOS as I previously said method. Locate the TPM setting under security or advanced options. Enable TPM and ensure the version is 2.0. Save changes and restart your PC. Okay, now we are coming to real problem. If your PC still doesn't meet the requirements, you can bypass the checks. Okay. To do that, when you install Windows 11 in your computer, you can press Shift key plus F10. Shift plus F10. It will be open command prompt. So then after method I will show in my computer. Now I am going to open command prompt. Right click on it and tap on run as administrator. This method should be do in the Windows 11 installation process. Okay. Now you need to type regedit. Hit enter. It will be open registry editor. Now you need to navigate. I am going to minimize this one. H key local machine. Double tap on it. System. It is right here. Go to setup. Yeah, it is right here. Now you need to in the right side menu, right click on it, go to new, go to key. Its name is lab config. Hit enter. Inside this lab config file, double tap on it, right click on it, go to new, dword 32-bit value. Just double tap on it, set the value as 1 and change the value name as bypass. Sorry about that. So we can't change it here. Close this one, right click on it, tap on modify. No, it's not working. So just delete this one. Yes, right click on it, go to new again. Choose this one. Now you need to type bypass TPM check. Make sure keys are use this like this. Then after tap on hit enter, double tap on it, value change to 1, tap on OK. Again right click on it, new dword 32-bit value. In this case new name is bypass secure boot check. Hit enter, double tap on it, change it to 1, tap on OK. Again right click, new divert 32-bit value, bypass RAM check. This one, if you need to only need it, double tap on it, change to 1, tap on OK. Then you need to close the registry editor and you can continue your installation. It will be fine. So these are the 4 methods I have to show you fix your Windows 11 can't install on your computer issue. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.